Ay, yung aking pimples, buti na lang humilom, naghilom na. Naging ano na siya, naging dry. Sa tagal ng panahon, ngayon lang ako ulit pinimples. Na-stress ang lola nyo. Baby Yana, no? Ang aga naman to ng bata nagising eh. Nung oras ako natulog kagabi, nag-edit ako. Tinapos ko yung aming vlog nung Christmas. So, today, mayroon akong i-edit na dalawa. Kasi everyday ako nag-edit, diba? Nag-edit, nag-upload. So, dalawa yung aking, medyo mahaba kasi. So, dalawa yung aking i-upload today na video. Mamaya mga alas 10, tapos alas 3. So, itry ko yan mamaya pag-upload. Sana ma-upload natin na mas. Yung isa wala pang thumbnail. Gagawin ko pa mamaya pag makatulog tong isa ko. Baby Yana, we're so productive. Ayan na, no. Tawa din siya. Ang galing. Yan, galing-galing ng Baby Yan at Mommy. We have everyday upload. Yes, good job, Mommy and Baby Yana. Oh, don't put that in your mouth, okay? I just said. Okay. Mamaya, malunok mo to, Baby Yana. No good. Gusto niya yung remote. What the remote? Oh, no. Oh, come eat your biscuit first. Have your biscuit, Baby Yana. Have it. Come on. Oh. Ano namang nakita mo? Say good morning. Say good morning, mga shots. Good morning. Walang pasok yung kanyang tatay ngayon. Oh. Okay, hold it. This one, Baby Yana. Wala na yung kape ko na. Lumamig na yung ating kape. Yung ating kapeng matapang. Baby. Babe, this is so sweet, babe.
Huh?
How many sugar? How many scoop did you put?
Just one stick I put in that.
And the sugar?
Sugar I put 1 spoon. That's
The-
to cousin Moscow, whatever you call it.
Ah, muscavato.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that's good. I thought the regular sugar. Baby, don't throw it away. That's a biscuit. That's a food. Ayan na. You want milk now? Come. Oh, Daddy, feed.
Russia's aviation watchdog quickly claimed the pilot was intended to be an emergency landing after a bird strike. Rather than Moscow,
Sure like that?
drones. Look for small holes clear on the plane's fuselage. Expert cast doubt on that explanation.
Looking at pictures of the shrapnel in the aircraft.
We are determined to establish terrorist
Ayaw na niya, babe. Say no, Daddy. I'm done. I'm done. Ay,
Okay. Now what? You already had your milk.
she wants to go down. She wants to go down.
Extreme, I would say, or even celebratory from
Down.
Netanyahu and senior officials. Netanyahu
She's
said
sweating, babes.
Thank you, Sef. O, sige. Paluin daw niya sarili niya. Ang bata. Ang dungis-dungis ng bata ito, oh. What's that?
The baby can? No? Throw it.
Babe, just leave it there, babe. Don't throw it away. I need to fix that.
Fix it. But what are you going to fix it?
Just leave it for there now. That's not the work that I asked you to do. Why you're fixing that now? What are you looking for?
That's easy cookies.
Bam, bam, bam. Oh. Take a shower, Yana. Well, take a shower na. Look at you. Yeah, look grabby looking. Ask Ate Nicole to boil water. Don't put it in your mouth. That's very dangerous, baby Yana. See? Tinamot pa ng bata ito pag hindi niya nakukuha yung gusto niya. Oh, ang bata-bata mo. Pantigasan ang ulo mo. Ayan na. Oh, look, Daddy. I just marasip. Okay, you want the bread? Come on, get it. Kung ano ano ang pinagkukuha ng batang ito. Go. Say hi. Say hi. Ay. Don't be so cranky, baby. We're taking video. Oh. Go. Hold yung cellphone natin. Just like that, baby. Just like that. Just like that. Ang batang malikot. Ginagamit namin yung ano, yung binigay niya sa akin na ano, pang cellphone. Kaso nga lang, yung stand, ay yung microphone, hindi nagagamit. Paano hindi magka-fit sa cellphone ko? Bilog yung kanya, akin yung flat, yung saksakan. Look at them, baby. Hi! Ang ganda-ganda mo pa na yung bata. Ano ka lang ngayon, madukis. Yan ano. Pati nga ako, wala pa akong ligo. Gusto ko nang maligo. I want to take a shower. Are we going to, can we take a shower together na lang? Ayan na. Say hi. Say hi to them. Say hi. Say hello. Yeah. You're good when you're not cranky, huh? But when you're cranky, it's out of control. Oh, ganyan. Ang batang mahilig mga gat. Panay kagat. Lahat na lang, kung anong makikita niya, kinakagat, sinusubo niya. Ay, naku, Ayana. It's okay. You're a baby. Maliligo na ako soon kasi mukha na tayong baby Yana. At saka ikaw din, maliligo ka na, baby. Kaso lang, may sipon ka pa. Yung shower mo, ikaw muna yung liliguan ko, baby, no? Kasi may sipon tong batang ito. Hindi pa gumagaling. Oh, no. Let me pick it up for you. Okay. Sige, ubusin mo yung tinapay. Kinakagat mo lang, di mo naman kinakain, di mo nilulunok. Maganda sana tong na to. Binigay niya sa akin, kaso lang yung microphone hindi nagagamit. So, light na lang yung ating magagamit nito. Pero maganda. Akala mo nasa labas ako. Okay. But we're inside the house using with the lights, the flashlight that Daddy gave me on Christmas. Di ba yan? Ay, naku naman. Okay, here. Okay, let's take a shower na. Mag-shower ko na nga itong batang ito. Nagwawala na naman. Pretty na ang baby ko yan na. Fresh from the shower. Yung ina, tsaka pa din. Oh, what's that? Christmas tree. Is Mama's turn na? Ha? Mama will take a shower also. So, Mama will take, be the same with Yana. Pretty also. Mga siyas. Gising na ang baby yan ako. Pinaligo niya lang ako. Tapos nagising na ang baby yan ako. Si hi! Hi! Okay. Nakaligo lang ako, tapos nagising na ang baby-yan ako. Ayan na naman ang baby namin. Mag-uumpisa na naman kami sa aming tulak-tulak everyday. Yeah? Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, don't bite me. You kiss me, you bite me. Oh, blind kiss. Give them blind kiss. Blind kiss. Okay. I wash your sleep, baby Yana. Oh. So heavy. Go, daddy. Ate Nicole. I want to eat something. I'm hungry. Ate Nicole, bili ka nga, Ate Nicole. Oh no, my baby Yana. Where's the baby? Give kiss, baby. Give kiss. Kiss. Give kiss. Baby Yana. Sleepy na yan. Tulog ka na para mamaya magising ka maaga. Oh, what you want now? Go brum brum brum? Go brum 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 brum? No? Yeah. Ang baby Yana. Go, nagigil na. Gigil. Beautiful eyes. Show beautiful eyes. Where's the beautiful eyes? Beautiful eyes. Show us the beautiful eyes. The big eyes. Peekaboo. 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 Ay. Peekaboo. Ay. Oh, tiyan all. Luluto pa si Mama Baby ng ating hapunan. Gutom na mi. Ulo ko. Gutom na mi. Gutom na rin you. Yes. Ayan na, baby. Look at here. Okay. Okay, let's eat. Ayan na. You want to eat rice? Call, dali mo dito. Yeah, put it there, babe. Call, butang doon, call doon. Dito na lang, call.
Put it there. You're sitting over there.
We're going to eat while listening the music. Okay na, babe. Okay na, okay na, okay na. Uy!
What?
Uy!
No music.
You stressed out?
No, my eyes.
Oh, sorry, my baby. Oh, daddy. Tiga po. Yung batang kinain na lahat. Diyos ko, nangyari siya. Baby, no. Tignan mo naman nangyari sa sarili niya. Niligo na lahat. Baby, no. No. Ano na to? Yan ang ginawa natin. Look at you. Wait. No, baby. Enough. Nope. Oh, no. No, baby. No. We're done. Change everything.